Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Empower Plan subscriptions step by step. Click to uninstall your Empower Plan subscriptions. Start by logging into your Empower account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and click on the Account Settings option. In the Account Settings menu, find the Subscriptions tab. Click on the Subscriptions tab to view your active plans. Identify the Empower Plan subscription you wish to uninstall. Next, click on the Manage button associated with that subscription. This will take you to the subscription details page. Look for the Cancel Subscription option. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read through the information provided carefully. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a cancellation notification. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation. That's it. Your Empower Plan subscription has been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.